Welcome! In front of me I have Polar Vantage V2 and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the iPhone. First, we need to open the menu on our watch. To do it, press the back/menu button on the watch to open the menu. Then scroll through the menu by swiping on the screen, select the settings option and tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, tap on general settings and here tap on pair and sync. Now scroll down, find the option called paired devices and tap on it. And you should see your iPhone right here. Mine is customly named, so now tap on the name of the iPhone and confirm by pressing the OK button. iPhone got disconnected from our watch. Now we can open the settings on our iPhone, tap on Bluetooth, and here you will see the Polar Vantage V2. Tap on the info icon next to it and tap on forget this device and tap on forget device to completely remove it from our iPhone. And at this point, the watch is unpaired from your iPhone. If you want to disconnect the watch, or rather remove the watch from your account, you need to log into a Polarflow account on the website, and then you can go to products section, and there you can remove the devices. Okay, thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.